December, I'm Megan Roosevelt, registered dietitian nutritionist, the healthy grocery girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. The holiday season is in full swing, happy holidays, and Limoneira Citrus, like Meyer lemons, are at the peak of their season. Meyer lemons are great for cooking or baking. They have a thin edible skin and are a little bit sweeter and less acidic tasting than a traditional classic lemon. In the month of December, look for Limoneira Meyer lemons in the fun Santa Meyer 1 pound reusable bag with the famous 1927 colorful citrus Santa label. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a really fun and festive recipe featuring, of course, Limoneira Meyer lemons. We're making a Christmas wreath citrus salad. So let's get started with our recipe. To make this recipe, you will need salad greens, Limoneira navel oranges, Limoneira Meyer lemons, pistachios, pomegranate seeds, and hemp seeds. To make the salad dressing, you will need fresh squeezed Limoneira Meyer lemon juice, champagne vinegar, honey, extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of sea salt and black pepper. In a small bowl, add the lemon juice, champagne vinegar, honey, olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and whisk together. Next, segment your lemons and oranges by removing the ends and rind of the citrus. Make sure to cut away as much of the pith, the white part, as possible. Then carefully cut out segments and set aside. On a round serving platter, place a bowl of the dressing in the middle and then add your greens like a wreath. Top with citrus segments, pistachios, pomegranate, and hemp seeds. Dress your salad just before serving and then enjoy. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. You're taking time to rest, relax, be with your friends and family, make lots of yummy food, and of course enjoy lots of Limoneira Citrus. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and look for Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!